This is the most appropriate time to make the intro for this video. I shall be setting up a Patreon account for this YouTube channel, as this journey on the YouTube takes a lot of money and the effort. My sweatshirt is drenched with the sweat, and whole this way behind me I have walked up to 2 kilometers far now. I shall be showing you the Cholistan in full moon night with a lot of water rain reserves and the life on these places. Dear viewer, this is Toba Januwali in Cholistan desert, and we used to come here before this land was converted into agriculture land. And this is the man named Ghulam Ali. Ghulam Ali is my childhood friend, and for today's video he is my guide. He will take us to the different places in Cholistan today, and he can hunt with his slingshot. Look here, this is a proper slingshot he has. So let us start our journey here today. Far background there are the ruins of Maujgarh Fort, and this whole place has completely changed, as there is a fuel station, gas station here, and agriculture is in full swing here. But we will show you the population where people are gathered around the rain ponds and where life is completely dependent on the rain. These are the ruins of Maujgarh Fort, and there is a little structure that is left of it. All of the fort is destroyed. There are just outer walls standing. I have come from that point, right behind me, way behind me, walking, and my guide is ahead of me. We had to go one by one, as bike wasn't able to cross this sand, and it is never easy in Cholistan to cross the series of dunes. And there he is, my guide. He is waving hand for something. Let's go and find what is there he is telling. He's asking the distance from a local here. This is only him, Ghulam Ali, my guide. Only he can drive bike on such bad passageway. This is all soft sand, and he is far away from me driving the bike, and I am on my foot once again. Ghulam Ali
जी,
कितना का आसान सफ़र है?
बहुत आसान, बहुत मुश्किल।
बहुत आसान भी और बहुत मुश्किल भी
जी।
बहुत आसान तो तुम्हारे लिए होगा, मेरे लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल है।
बहुत मुश्किल है,
बहुत मुश्किल है। हम लोग कितना दूर आ गए होंगे इंसानी आबादी से?
तकरीबन 40 किलोमीटर दूर।
हम लोग इस टाइम 40 किलोमीटर दूर खड़े हैं
जी।
गुलाम अली ने वो सारा पिछला रास्ता बाइक चलाई है, जबकि मैं पैदल चल के आया हूँ, और आगे का रास्ता भी वो जहाँ तक नज़र जाती है
वो भी मुश्किल है,
वो भी मुश्किल है। और हो सकता है कि फिर वैसे ही गुलाम अली बाइक को चलाएगा और मैं पैदल चलूँगा। सो वी हैव reached the final destination for today, and this is the cooking place in the open desert. Some potatoes are to be cooked, and there is Mr. Ghulam Ali. He shall turn on some bonfire, and we have a very interesting setup to stay for the night. There is our bike, and there is our open kind of tent. We shall be here for the whole night. Just look here. And there is a very interesting thing that I have seen here. These people actually have given certain names to their cows, and they call their cows with their names when they feed them at the evening. So do they repeat the process by calling the names in the morning. They will call the names of all the cows before feeding them. And on the far side there is a tent for the calves, as Cholistan desert is not host to any kind of livestock. except cows and calves. So just look here, there are certain goats, and this is all. I am a new person in doing this kind of cooking. I had learnt it with my dear brother Jameel on my last trip to Bajnod Fort. So I have prepared the fish that will be put up in these hot coals. This is with very high heat. So here is the fish. I hope it should be in good condition, but no, this is all burst up. Oh my god, this is all messed up. Oh no. So, despite that, we have to do it. तो just to show you and tell, ओए होए होए क्या बात है, बड़ा ज़बरदस्त बना है. तो बस अब खाने का टाइम हुआ चाहता है. So I received a special treatment. This is the bed I got on this desert land. This is special traditional bed, and other guys were sleeping there, right over there. And this is all what they have for their animals and for themselves. Few vegetables and so many other things. Okay, time to get ready with the breakfast. Breakfast is getting ready. This is so cold around here, and here are the cows. They have kept a very interesting nomenclature for these cows. They were in the shed right over there.
Lala, 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 Benji, Benji.
चोलिस्तान में लगातार हिजरत की वजह से डेरे कुछ इस हिसाब किताब में नज़र आते हैं, और ये बुज़ुर्ग बैठे हुए लस्सी बना रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ये देखें कैसा ट्रेडिशनल किस्म का सेटअप है. We reached this rain pond last night, but it has almost dried out, and we are looking for another pond, and after we see that pond we shall take our journey back to home. Luckily, so luckily, this is the place I wanted to see, a pure toba. A toba in Cholistan that has so many animals, and cow dung is spread wide over all in this plain. And but unlucky and unfortunate thing is, the people who want to make money with the agriculture have reached this place, and they have destroyed the beauty of Cholistan. And I shall show you the rainwater pond right over there, Toba Mahmood Wala. And this was the genuine beauty of Cholistan, but it is coming to an end very soon and very shortly. I was very ill for this journey, but my tour guide, Mr. Ghulam Ali, he is not just a tour guide, he is my best friend. And for another time, for another adventurous vlog, I shall see you again.